Transfer tone from Bitget wallet to Bybit exchange. So how to transfer tone from Bitget wallet to Bybit exchange is simple and easy. Now make sure you are opening the Bybit and you have the Bitget wallet on your browser. Now after that we want to begin with Bybit because we want to copy the address that we want to receive the tone to. Now so how to do that? Just click on deposit. And now after that select the coin that we want to receive. For this I will select ton, as you can see. Now after you select it, now as you can see, now select on the chain, now select ton, and now as you can see, acknowledge. Now for this you will need the memo address and the address of ton address. Now after you are ready to go and you open this page that you have your ton address and the memo address, now you can now open the Bitget wallet from the top on your extension and make sure you are on the right wallet and your wallet is verified or backup. So after that, and you're ready to go, now click on send. Now after that, click on ton, or you can search it from here. For this I will click on ton. Now as you can see, the receiving address, for the receiving address I will just click copy. I will get back to Bitget wallet and I paste it in here. Now after that, transfer the amount. As you can see, how much you want to transfer, and now for the memo I will copy it from here, and now I will paste it here. Now as you can see, you can now paste it here. Sorry, just copy, and now you can open the Bitget wallet. Now paste it here. Now after that, enter how much you want to transfer of the ton, and now the note, type the memo from here and 955. Now as you can see, if you are sure, now you can click on next. Now as you can see, insert your ton. Because I don't have the ton in my Bitget wallet, I can't proceed the transfer process. So in your case, now you can just click on next and confirm the transfer. So this is how to transfer ton from Bitget wallet to Bybit. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.